How to update Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can update Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're facing issues with the Instagram app, you might just want to update it. To update it, first of all, make sure you're connected to a proper Wi-Fi connection. Then just go ahead and then basically open up your app store like this, and then in the search box you simply want to go ahead and then search for Instagram here. Once you search for Instagram, make sure to tap on Instagram app. If it says open, it means that Instagram app is already updated, and if it says updated, it just means that it requires an update. So whether you're on Android or iOS doesn't really matter. As long as you don't see the update button, it means that it's already updated. If you see the update button, make sure to tap on it and update it to the latest version. So this way you should be able to update Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.